डिसोजा हे सरनेम चेंज करता सो तेजेर तुजें कितें आहा पणजेनूय खुबश्यो गोश्टी घडटात अशें
That you don't ask me, that I don't know about the changes of name.
It's concerned to revenue department.
See, changes of name come through the proper procedure. It has been advertised on the this thing, plus it is gazetted and all. Whoever has got to put objection, let them put an objection. So we cannot basically stop anyone doing anything, no? If it is a process, if you can do through process something, it is happening. So there's the people who have those people should object to it.
सर पण कायदो चेंज जावपाक अशें दिश्टी पडना तुमकां अशें नांवाचें चेंज जाल्यार गोंयांची आयडेंटिटी हें जाता डॅमेज
Just see, if one, two fellows try to misuse the system, you cannot say basically the system is bad.
बट दोग जाणांनी गेल्यार मागीर आनी खूब जाण करतले फुडें सुद्दां आनीक करपाक लागतले न्हू समज अशें उलय जालें
Because that संसार आयज आहा फाल्यां आहा फाल्यां हांव आसतलो फाल्यां आसचो ना तेन्ना उलोवन कसलो फायदो ना जाता. So don't discuss those things.
आनी कितें लँड एक्विजिशन बील येवपाचें आहा कितें एमेंडमेंट
Amendment only for as far as government projects are concerned.
गव्हर्मेंट प्रोजेक्ट्स ओके म्हणजे सर गव्हर्मेंट रोड्स बी कितें मेळटले रिलॅक्सेशन रोड्स गव्हर्मेंट बिल्डिंग्स एंड
No, आतां केन्ना सी आतां ब्रिजाक जाय जागो वायडनींग ऑफ द रोड्स एंड ऑल सो फॉर दॅट इट इज.
ओके
Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye.